Here we are studying about Karpur, which has Latin name Cinnamomum camphora and family Lauraceae. In Marathi it is called as Kapur, in Hindi it is called as Kapur, in English it is called as camphor. Due to various properties it has different names such as Ghanasara due to its hardwood, Sitabrak or Himabra as the color resemble with white mica, Chandraprabha or Chandra due to the white color, Spatik as the Niryasa look like quartz, Tushar Gaura as it looks like dewdrops, Himanabha or Himaraja because of its Shitavirya. It is an evergreen tree which is 30 meter tall and with 2 to 3 meter circumference. Bark is rough from outside and smooth from inside. Leaves are alternate yellowish green, fragrant and resemble that of Tamalpatra. Flowers are small, yellowish white and grows as inflorescence. All parts has a smell of camphor. Each plant yield 4 to 5 kg of camphor. Habitat: it can be seen in China, Japan, Sri Lanka, Java, Sumatra and India. Useful part is Niryas. Rasapanchak: it has Tiktakatu and Madhur Rasa with Katu Vipak and Shitavirya. Also it has Laghu and Tikshna Guna. Doshagnata: it is Kafagna due to its Tikta Guna, Vatagna due to its Madhur Rasa and Pittagna due to its Shita Guna. Thus it is Tridoshagna. Pharmacological action: it has Kotnashak, रक्तोत्क्लेशकर, वेदनास्थापन, चक्षुष, व्रणरोपण, विषघ्न, मुखशोधन, जंतुघ्न, शूलघ्न properties. रोगघ्नता: it can be used in अग्निमांद्य, अतिसार, विसूचिका, कास, श्वास, कंठरोग, हृदय in सन्निपात ज्वर, मूत्रकृच्छ and पूयमेह. Doses: 125 to 375 mg. कल्प, कर्पूरासव, अर्क कर्पूर, अमृतबिंदू, कर्पूरादि चूर्ण, कर्पूरादि वटी.